In this video, I'm going to show you why it's not a good idea to manually format your document by pressing hard control characters. For example, in this example here, I have double spaced. But what you don't know is that these double spaces were created by pressing return. I'm going to go up to here, press the paragraph mark to show you. This little mark here is called a paragraph mark. As you can see, there are two paragraph marks, which means that the author pressed enter twice to create a double space. Now, what's the problem with this is that, well, for one, it's a lot of work. You have to press enter 2 times for each line. You have to manually do this. It's a bad idea because let's just say I add an extra word. I'm going to copy this word here, and I'm going to add it up here. Oh, look what happened here. So now what's happened is that this document is that this this word here is called an orphan. It's pushed over to the edge, and it becomes the new line. So to fix this document, you'd have to press enter a couple of times, and then you don't want it to flow with the rest, so you have to delete the 2 spaces before, and we have another one. So it just cascades down the whole thing. So you're gonna have to fix the whole paragraph if you have a correction or a change at the beginning of a document. Okay, now go on to this one, this example here. Here we have what's called an indented paragraph, and it was created by pressing the end character at each line, and then pressing the space bar to line the left margin up. And as you can see, it's not quite perfect. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a little bit crooked. Maybe this one here needs one more space. It's difficult to say, and this happens a lot with the characters. I mean, it's difficult to see where it lines up. And let's just, for example, let's change the font. We're happy with the wording, but now we're going to change. We want a slightly larger font, say 12. Oops. Yeah, it's messed up your whole document. You're going to have to fix it. Another thing is, let's change the font. Instead of that one, you want this font here. Again, it's created this big mess. It looks like it's okay here. This is because it's a slightly smaller font, perhaps, and it doesn't affect it as much. But it does affect it. Like this one here completely ruins your formatting. So it's not a good idea. Here's another example. You have a bullet list. Now, with Word, bullet lists are often done automatically. I don't like the automatic function, but let's say you didn't have it and you were typing this out, and as you can see, this was created by pressing enter and then spacing it with the space bar until it lined up with the bottom one. Now, what happens here is, again, change the font or change anything. You add an extra word in, change the font size, change color, or I mean not color, but anything, and boom, you've got this big mess which you have to manually fix. In my next video, I'll show you how to do this properly.